for joining us for this Rumor Mill. My name is Tanaj Nicole.
And I'm Nicole Astrid.
And today we are still doing our Halloween looks. And this one, I believe this one is very excited about.
Yeah, this is by far my favorite Halloween look ever, because if you know anything about me, I love Heath Ledger and I love his Joker look. And I've never actually done it, so this will be interesting. You're gonna do the newer version of the Joker with Joaquin.
Joaquin Phoenix. And I mean, like, cool fact, it's like the #1 movie still. After
Girl, better be.
For a month.
That's so. You haven't seen it?
Yeah.
Go out and see it. It's an amazing movie.
Yeah. So
that's what we're doing.
Mine will be the Tanaj version of it. It won't be cutesy, but it'll be cuter than Joaquin when he's breaking down. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Makes total sense. So just really quick, we did want to reiterate the fact that these are simple, affordable Halloween looks that you can do pretty much just like last minute, and it's not gonna like break your bank.
Yes.
And so I'm just gonna go through really quick what I am using today for my look. I picked this up at Walmart, so if you have a local Walmart nearby, go ahead and get that. They're both 98 cents, and I got like white grease paint and the black grease paint. So I'm gonna put them up like right there so you guys can see it.
Yep. I'm also using the 98-cent Walmart-esque face paint. This is the cream makeup. I know, the cream makeup there. Did it get it? There we go. That's the one that was, this was also 98 cents.
Yeah.
I'm using also the Wet n Wild multi-stick. This is gonna carve out, you know, the little triangles that Joaquin does. I think this, we also got this at Walmart for like $2 or $3.
I think it was like $1.50 or something like that.
Somewhere
it's really affordable, and it works amazing. Not just for this look, but for other makeup looks too.
Yeah, absolutely. And then I have like a $1 lipstick that
me too, my bad.
Yeah, so it's a $1 red lipstick.
Just any red lipstick that you have laying around, you can use that too, of course, for like the smile and things like that. So this will be great for all those of you that maybe are not as artistically blessed like some of the beginners, because it's very messy. At least Heath Ledger's look was very messy. So if you feel like you are messing up, you're probably doing the right way. So.
Yeah, very much so. I mean, Joker is known for breaking down, and so if yours is broken down, you're right on track.
You're right there with it.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna use my fingers with this. Not gonna be very precise. And I'm just going in first with the white grease paint and putting that all over my face. I'm gonna try to get a little closer to the camera so that we can kind of see, but I mean, it's literally just me putting white paint on, so I guess you don't.
I guess you really don't.
I'm the Joker with braces, so it's even creepier.
It's Joker in training.
Yeah, it's a Joker in training. That's right. Did you watch the movie? Have you, Tanaj?
I have not. DC fans, please don't come after me. We've been quite busy here at Rumor Mill, and I've not made the time to go.
Come on now.
I know. Well, I mean, it's going to be great, you know, with Halloween coming up, so you know.
That's true. Yeah. Alright. I don't think I've asked you this before, but are you like a huge Halloween movie?
Oh, no.
Not really? You don't have like a go-to that you have to watch every year type of thing?
Well, I mean, I watch Hocus Pocus because it's cute.
She said because it's cute.
It is cute. I have this thing where I don't really forget stuff.
Okay.
So a horror film, even though I can appreciate it and I actually like the cinematography for a lot of horror films, I just don't forget. So that thing that made you went, I don't forget that moment. So I'd rather not torture my brain that way. I'm
not a huge like scary movie fan. I grew up on Disney Channel, you guys, like when DComs were really cool and poppin' and cool. So, of course, Hocus Pocus was always on during my childhood, but also for any of those that are Kimberly J. Brown fans, she was the star of Halloween Town, Halloween Town 2, and Halloween Town High. We don't talk about the fourth one because they don't count, okay? No, because let me tell you, I hate when directors and just anyone does this when you have like a series going on with movies.
They keep it going when it should have stopped.
No. It should have kept going, okay? But they switched all of the characters for the fourth movie. It was like a completely different actress. Because, you know, Disney Channel was trying to be hippity hop and young. And we were like, no. So if you ever read anything about Halloween Town, nobody claims the fourth movie. It is like not talked about. So yeah,
I need to see this thing because I have no idea what you're talking about.
It's really cute. Like it's kind of like Hocus Pocus in the sense that it's like it's not gonna scare you. You're not gonna be like, oh my god, why did I watch this?
I doubt it.
Yeah, it's just really cute. You know, it comes on every Halloween. Anyone that grew up with it is like very nostalgic. You know, so I have definitely been binge watching that on Disney Channel's YouTube channel. So thank you, Disney. Thank you so much. Cause you know I'm not gonna buy that Disney Plus thing. I'm broke. Nobody got time for that. I would actually consider using it if they showed the older series, like the older TV shows that I grew up on. That would be cool. Like I would actually like that because I don't know about y'all, but I'd be like on YouTube sometimes on my downtime, and I just like YouTube, like the shows that I used to watch on Disney Channel, and it's amazing. Like I'll spend an hour, 2 hours, sometimes just watching it because it's just nostalgic. Like. I don't know what it is about it. It just like brings you back to like a comfort area where you weren't an adult, you know?
You didn't have to like...
And didn't have like responsibilities and have to buy makeup on Afterpay. Yeah. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
It's like a comfort because you're just like, oh my gosh, back when the world was great and I thought the world sucked. Don't get it. I don't get it. I know I'm talking a lot. I just have a lot to say.
It's okay. It was a rant, and I appreciate your rant.
Because you know when you're like younger, you're like, oh my god, I can't wait to grow up and like be independent and do my own stuff. And then you finally get out here in the world, and you're like, I don't like this anymore. When you can't get a return, this is not gonna work.
All right, so my next piece, I'm actually going to use the lipstick and a painter's brush to carve out the nose and his little eyebrows and where I want the lip to go.
Cool. Okay. And just so you know, if we look down a lot, it's just because we have a reference picture on our phones. Right here. And so I think the next part for me, I'm actually going to go in with his eyes, which are just like all over the place. And I think it, honestly, I think it ends like right where my under eye circle ends. So that'll be right on point. As far as like where I'm gonna stop putting the black, and then it like kind of bleeds out. So I'll probably end up stopping right there, and then it'll bleed down a little bit. So again, this doesn't have to be perfect. It's okay if it's all over the place, because that's just how it was, you know. Gonna go ahead and add my pink lipstick to this look, and of course I'm gonna make it exaggerated just like the Joker. You?
Mine, I think I'm actually gonna start outlining the white that's going to, you know, accent everything, and that's gonna be using the cream kit. I'm gonna be using a different paintbrush to do that.
Okay. Smile. That is so creepy in the monitor. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go in with this very jet black eyeshadow powder. And this is from our Violet Voss Best Life palette. And I'm going to be using the color Holiday, which is a very matte black right there. And we're really just going to use that to add a little bit more depth and more intensity to that black, because right now it looks okay and you can totally stop here if you wanted to, but I know a lot of us will be going to our jobs or going to school or wherever you're going, and you just really want to make sure that this kind of stays on as much as it can, right? Because I think like it's greasy already, and with sweat it's probably going to look not as great, which if you really want to go for an authentic look, do you? Me, I would prefer for this to stay a little bit more and for it to look a little bit more intense. So I'm gonna go in with that black eyeshadow.
And for me, guys, I am still just kind of outlining what I've done in white. Well, with the white paint that I put down earlier. And when we snap out, you'll see my face will be completely, you know, in the white thing. And then I will make it more precise by using that same Violet Voss palette, just reflecting the blue and more of the red lipstick.
For our look, we're gonna go ahead and go off camera and just finish it up a little bit and come back with the full look to see what you guys think. So, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Here we go. In 1, 2, 3. What y'all think?
We are profiling
and styling.
Yes.
So this is how our looks turned out. Pretty creepy, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, it is.
My hair is very crunchy right now from the green hairspray that I used.
And you smell like cheap cologne.
I totally do. So be aware that if you do this look and you use green hairspray, you will smell. Maybe that's how the Joker smelled. I have no idea.
Yeah.
But what I did was I just pulled it together with a Goodwill purple blazer, and then I have a dress shirt underneath. Nothing fancy, whatever you got works too. So.
Yeah, because I actually don't have, because Joaquin has this beautiful red blazer on in his with an orange vest. I don't have any of those things. So I just chose a plaid button-up shirt and a blazer. And I mean, obviously you guys get the idea of who I am. So you don't have to buy all these accessories and stuff to especially pull off this one. Yeah.
You look extremely creepy.
Yes, so
I'm not going to like you.
This is so weird. One thing I have noticed, the white paint on your face makes your teeth look white yellow. I don't care who you are.
Girl, I was gonna say, no wonder you look creepy in the movie. You like,
yeah, because your teeth look very yellow.
Thank you
with the white paint on your face.
Yeah. So we hope you guys enjoy these two very different but very creative Joker looks. Like I said, it's very simple, very inexpensive, and just in time for Halloween season, which is coming up this week. So we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like always, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, and join the Rumor Mill family. Hit that notification bell, and that way you get notified of any future videos that we release, which we'll be releasing a lot pretty soon here. So, yeah.
Definitely. And also go to our Instagram, that's at RumorMill, RUMORMEAL, and also go to our lookbook where we won't be having any looks like this. But we have a lot of cute looks on there. And yeah, just connect with us. We're on all our social media, so we'll have it right in the description below.
Awesome. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.